Today, we're exploring one of Canva's video editor's most powerful features, layers. Whether you're creating intros, animations, or just spicing up your designs for YouTube, understanding how layers works is a total game changer for making the best designs possible. Today, I'm going to talk to you about one feature inside Canva that I use a lot when I'm making my videos. I want to point it out to you in case you haven't used it. We're going to talk about layers today. So let's go here, choose YouTube video and click on it. Now, we have a blank video. You can come here to add pages if you want to. But let's get started and make a video, and I will talk about layers as we go along. First, I'll go to Elements and look for a forest background. Let's see. Let's pick this one. Let's go ahead and enlarge it to fit the whole scene. Let's add some things to it. We could keep it as is, but I'll show you some different things to do. While we're in here, let's click on this and go to Edit. Since I use a paid plan, I'm going to use Magic Grab. I'll grab this tree first. And I'll grab the top. It'll take a couple of seconds, and it will create a whole new version that I can move around. Now you can see it is gone from here, but it also created a completely new background here too. Now, I can move that anywhere that I want to. Let's just move that page up here, so it'll be our first page. I'm also going to click on this, and I'm going to click on Magic, grab one more time, and I'm going to grab this log, and also that grass right there. And we'll grab the mushrooms too. The same thing will happen with Magic, grab this time too. Now we can move this whole log anywhere we want. Okay, now we've got the background, the log, and the tree all in different pieces. In order to find out where your layers are, the easiest thing to do is come up here to Position, click on that, then click on Layers. Now you see your layer panel and all the pieces that are in here, all on individual layers. For this video, let's go grab some other items. So let's get out of here for now and go back to Elements and look for vines. Let's find a moving one. Come up here, click on this, come down to Animated and click. Now it'll show any vines that are actually moving. I kind of like this one. You can also change the colors of this one if you want to. I won't do it today, but we'll shift it just a little bit and put it here. What else can we add? How about this little froggy? I'll shrink him and sit him on top of the log. Now, let's find a hiker. Let's try hiking. Here we go. That's a good one. I'll grab him and flip him, and I'll just have him come down this way. Since he's already moving, I'll click on Animate, then click on this bee. Now, all you need to do is click on him and drag your mouse to move him wherever I want him to go. There you go. And you have choices. You can have him move the same speed I just moved him, or you can make it smoother. Or you can choose steady using the same speed the whole time, then click Done when you're through. Let's go back to Position and look at the layers now. You can see all the individual layers for this video. But what if we wanted to move things around? What if you wanted to put this frog behind here? You could do that. You can move these any way you want. All these layers are completely movable. Now, this is on top of the tree, but if we wanted it behind the tree, you can just drag it over here. Now, you see it's actually behind the tree. So you see, you have a lot of options here. let's take this guy and let's go back to custom and delete his path and make a new one. So I'm going to just drag him down here and walk over this way. Can you tell he's walking in front of the tree? Click done. But he shouldn't be in front of the tree, he should be behind the tree. So let's fix that. Come back here, click on position again, go to layers. He needs to walk behind the tree. So I'll grab that layer and drag him like that. Now he's behind the tree. So whenever you're working on these videos, an important thing to remember is to make sure you have the layer order correct so that things are not in the wrong place. If you happen to click on a layer, you'll see these 3 dots. Click on those and you'll find a lot more options to use if you need to. Play around in here to learn even more. Working with layers is a very important thing to know about whenever you're creating a design or a video, and this is how you work with them in Canva. So just remember, if you lose the Layers panel, just click on your project page, go to the top to position, and then, in case it's hidden, click on Layers, and now you can see all your different pieces. And that's how easy it is. So come in here, make some videos of your own, and play around with your layer settings. You'll have a much nicer quality video once you learn how to work with layers. Come and practice along with me, and try to make your own video of a hiker walking in the forest. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.